using prompt engineering to achieve specific goals. Prompt engineering is a powerful tool that can be used to achieve specific objectives. Whether you're writing content, generating automated replies, or helping with code, the prompt plays a critical role in determining the quality of the output. Let's explore some practical applications and see how prompts can be crafted to meet specific goals. Output examples. Marketing content. Introducing the AI-powered Image Recognition Pro. Transform the way you analyze and categorize images with advanced neural network algorithms. Customer service. Dear customer, we sincerely apologize for the delay in your order and appreciate your patience. We are working hard to resolve this and will update you as soon as possible.